Hi guys, Little Star here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the only two Cool Runnings Funko Pops out at this moment in time. We have Irv Blitzer and Sanka Coffie. We'll take a look at Irv first. So here's the front of the box, the side of the box, here's the back of the box, and it's only got Sanka and Irv on there at the moment. And the other side of the box. And Sanka is just the same. It's just printed for him instead. Right, let's unbox these. So guys, I have Irv here out of box. We'll take a look at him first. So here he is, wearing a jacket with his hands in his pockets. Got some quite shiny shoes on and a Jamaican style hat. I do like the detail on the hat with how it was made, like it was knitted. Definitely represents the character well. And quite an iconic character as well. So that was Irv. And I have Sanka here. In his bobsledding outfit with his lucky egg. Quite simple, but there's not really much to it really. You can tell who it is by looking anyway. I do like the detailing on his hair. Definitely cute, holding his little egg. Very iconic character. So that was Irv and Sanka from Cool Runnings. I hope you enjoy the video.